Good afternoon, everybody. Trust we are doing fine. You are welcome to the last part of the Google Workspace course. So, today we are going to look at something very interesting, which is Google Sites. How you can create free websites for your law practice, free blogs for your law practice using Google Sites. Are we excited already? Are we excited? My name is Abimo Olajiwola. I'm a business lawyer and a digital law practice consultant. Please, if you can see me, you can hear me clearly, type I can see and hear you clearly in the comment section so that I would know that you can see me and you can hear me clearly, because the internet has not been stable. It has been logging me out at some point. So I actually want to know if you can see me and hear me clearly. Also, please drop it in the WhatsApp group. Let them know that we are now live and you can see me and hear me clearly. So we are going. Yes, thank you, Olufunke. You can see and hear me clearly. Thank you, Kende. You can see and hear me clearly. Please put it in the WhatsApp group that the class has started. You can see and hear me clearly. Please put it in the WhatsApp group. Let others join us. Type it in the WhatsApp group that you can see and hear me clearly now. Thank you. Great. So today we want to look at how you can create free websites for your law practice with Google Sites. So this website is a website that you can create for free, absolutely free. You're not going to pay any money. You're not going to pay for hosting, for a domain name or anything. So the main reason why I am teaching this is because I understand that there are a lot of young lawyers, or there are a lot of lawyers who are solo practitioners, or lawyers who have small teams that actually need a website for their digital law practice, but they cannot afford to pay a professional website designer like Digital Lawyers Network to design websites. So we design websites for lawyers and law firms. We design mobile applications, internet applications for lawyers and law firms. But if you cannot afford to pay us as a law practice website design agency, I'm going to teach you how you can create a free and beautiful website that you are not going to be paying for today. And so we are going to use Google for it. We're going to log into sites.google.com, and that is what is on my screen right now. Sites.google.com. Is loading. Someone should put it in the comment section. Sites.google.com. Sites.google.com. Can you see? Can you see it on my address bar? Sites.google.com. So this is what you're going to have. You're going to have this kind of interface. Please put it in the comment section. Sites.google.com. I want to be sure that you're following me. So you're going to have this kind of interface. And when you have this kind of interface, these are examples of websites that are already been created that you can just edit, you can drag and drop. You can just do anything with this kind of website. You can drag and drop it. But if you want to create something new from the scratch, like you want to create it from the scratch, you can use this blank. Can you see this blank site? It has nothing. You are the one who is going to customize it. But for the purpose of this class, I'm going to pick this family updates website. This is portfolio, this is event, this is help center, this is project. If you want to publish your portfolio as a lawyer, maybe you are a public speaker, or you are anything, and you want to publish maybe your photo galleries, the awards you've received. You just want to do a landing page where people can just click on the website, just go there. They can see your awards, they can see your pictures, your public speaking pictures, your community development pictures, all the corporate social responsibilities that you do in your law office and events. You want them to see it, you can just use it to create it. So for the purpose of this class, I'm going to click on family update. So I'm just going to click on family update now, and it's going to load. So practically, this website had already been designed. All these websites are already designed. So it's just for you to drag, drop, and edit. Drag, drop, edit, and then you publish. So this is what we have. So this is the website. Can you see the website? Please, I want to be sure that you can see the website. I can't see anybody dropping comments to say I can see the website, Google sites, and all that. Please drop the comment in the comment section. Google sites, I can see it. I want to be sure that you can see it. So this is what you are going to see on your screen. So this is the website. So we are going to be customizing this website right now for lawyers who cannot afford to pay graphic website designers. If you can afford to pay website designers, please and please pay. At Digital Lawyers Network, we design websites for lawyers, we design websites for law firms, we design phone applications on your app store, on your Play Store, we design web applications. Give it to us. But if you cannot, then go through this route. So now this is an example, and what we are going to be doing is we are going to be customizing this. But before I start, I want to see it in the comment section that we are on the same page, because I don't just want to be teaching. Oh, great, great. Thank you, Precious. Thank you, Bolanle. Thank you, Olufunke. So now this is what we're going to be doing. Let me start from here. I just clicked on these parents. Can you see these parents again? At the left hand side of the website, at the top bar. So I'm just going to click on it the same way you click on your Microsoft Word or on your Google Docs. That's the same way you're going to click on it. So I'm just going to click on it right now, and can you see I'm going to be deleting. I'm deleting it. Can you see the way I'm deleting it? The same way you delete your text on your phone or when you are typing. So I'm deleting it. All I have to put there is replace it with the name of my law firm, Abbey Legal. Can you see that? I've deleted it. All I have there now is Abbey Legal. So can you see this button here that says add logo? Add logo. So I'm just going to click on this add logo. It will take me to the back end. It's asking me to upload a logo. I will just click on upload. It takes me to my laptop. I already have my logo on my laptop. So let's assume that you have your law firm logo. I'm just going to click on Abbey Legal logo. I'm going to click on open. It's going to bring it in. Now it is in. Can you see that the logo showed immediately it came in? Can you see that the logo showed immediately? The logo showed immediately it came in. So now we have the logo there. We have the Abbey Legal logo. Can you see? Can you see this already? Please, can you see the logo? Can you see the way I uploaded the logo? Yes, great. You can see it. You can see it. Great. So now the next thing is I want to edit all these things: home, family photos, stories, updates, parenting. You know the way websites are now. All these home, about us, practice areas, our lawyers. All those things. So I'm just going to say, okay, I will leave home. I'll come here. Let me go back. I'll just say, okay, home. We have family photos here. I've already clicked on it, so it brought me here to change it. So I'm just going to change these family photos to about us. About us. The next thing, you can decide to, this text, you can decide to just come up here. You can decide to change the text. You can decide to italicize it. You can decide to change the text logo to something else. I can decide to make it blue. Can you see? But just be sure that you make it something that is going to be clear for people to see. So I'll just leave it at white. about us. Then this image that is behind about us, you can see that is a father carrying a baby. And I want to project the image of a law firm. So all I have to do is just that. I'll come here, I'll click on image, I'll click on upload. I don't want a father carrying a baby. I want law firm. I want the image of a law firm. I already downloaded the image of maybe a lawyer on my laptop. I'm going to upload it here. So can you see what I have now? I have the image of a lawyer. So the next thing I want to do is I want to edit what is here. Here is maybe about the firm. So let me just go to Abbey Legal website. I just want to go to Abbey Legal website, our normal website, so that I won't bore you. I just want to copy and paste so that you can see what I'm talking about. So I'll just be copying and pasting from Abbey Legal website. So something like we offer quality legal solutions and all those things. So I'm just going to copy and come here. So here I'm just going to put it here. Okay, I'm just going to put it here. Coming. I think the space is too much. The space is way too much. The space is way too much. Just pardon me. I'm trying to edit. I'm trying to edit this. Great. We have this here. So this is it. I've already changed it here. So the text, I'm just gonna reduce the text to like maybe 12. I want to change the font. Can you see this font here? Arial. I want to change it to something interesting. So let me use Comic Sans or something interesting. Can you see what we have here? Okay. Family photos. Can you see what I did? This is what I did though. Comic Sans. Can you see what I did here? I may want to make it look bolder. I already made it look bolder here. I want to make it look darker. The black, I want to make it look darker. I'll use a very dark black. Can you see the way the black is shiny? Can you see the way I'm trying to customize my website? Please let me know in the comment section if you can see it, because um okay, you can see it. Great, great, great. You can see it. So here we have, I've already changed this. So about us, then all these pictures, you can just change them. If it's your office picture, maybe the pictures of your lawyers or anything about your law practice, you just come here, you click on these three, you click on this, how do I call it now? This circle here. You come down. Let me show you so that you can get what I'm saying. If you come down, you click on this thing here. It brings out these buttons. Can you see these buttons? Crop, full scale, link, copy, delete. These three dots here. You click on it and it's telling you to replace the image. So you may want to replace the image to the image of your law firm. So I'll just click on upload. I have an image here. There is an image here. I'll just replace it. Can you see? I've already changed the image to maybe my law firm image, divorce, or something. So let me just put it here. I also want to change this. I want to change this as well. Let me change this to something else. Upload. Can you see? I've changed it to something about maybe property law. So all these things you can choose to change them, and if you don't want them, you can delete them. It's not important for you to have as much as that. So I can just come here, click on this delete button. Can you see this delete button here? I can just delete this. And even if you want it, this 2023, I can just click on this text and make it 2024. I just change it to 2024. It's very easy. The same way you work on Microsoft Word and Google Docs. So I can come here and click on anything. All these things I may just drag and drop. So this is for picture, this is for text. Let me delete this. So you can customize the pages as you like. This is for social links, this is for YouTube. I'm still going to come here, but at least you get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying. So this is about us. You can use this page as much as you like. Then all these ones too, you click on them, you change it the same way. About us, you can change this one to our practice areas. Our practice areas. So you know our practice areas, you know what should be there now. You just change everything. You come here, you change the text. You change the text. Then you come here, you write about your practice areas. Do you get? You come here, you write about your practice areas and all that. Now, let me go to the home page. Let me go to the home page. Let's start from the home page here. This thing has parents again, right? I'm going to change this to your best legal companion. So your best legal companion. This I'll change it to innovation, depending on what you want. Innovation, professionalism. What else? What should I put there? Put it in the comment section. I want to see. Innovation, professionalism. What else? Integrity. What else? What else? Put it in the comment section. Speed. Yes. Innovation, professionalism, integrity, speed. Anything you want, just change it. That's the watchword of your law firm. Then I'm on the home page. Oh, this image, I want to change it to the image of maybe a lawyer. I'm on the home page. This is what I have now. 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 So it's saying two kids, wild, blah, 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 blah. I would say your business lawyers, your favorite, or what, your favorite business lawyers or something like that. I will just shall put something. So here, let me just copy something. Let me copy something. What can I copy now? But I hope we are following me. I hope we understand what I'm doing. I hope you understand what we are doing. So I'll just come here. I'll just put something like this here. So if you notice, you will see that the text is in white. All I have to do is just to highlight the text and come up here and change it to black. So your favorite business lawyers, we provide sophisticated legal representation and alternative dispute resolution. We have custom tailored legal solutions for the challenges facing regional, national, and international businesses. Great. So here we can say our practice areas. I'll just change this one to our practice areas. So for our practice areas, people should just give me now. I'll just come here. Our practice areas. I want to change the image of our practice areas. Divorce. This one, I'll click on it. Remember that you have to come and click in the middle here. Oh. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm not just clicking anywhere on the picture. I'm coming down to click in the middle here. So I'll come, then I'll click on these three dots. Then I'll upload. I'll click on upload. So I want to put property law here. Then I'm going to do the same thing here as well. Click on the three dots, replace image, upload. Then I'll click on intellectual property law. So now I'm going to come and click on this. I want to change this text. You know, this text has family photos. Once I click on the family photos, it brings out these icons. And can you see this pencil icon? Can you see this pencil icon? Can you see the pencil icon? I'll click on the pencil icon and it's telling me to edit. So instead of family photos, I'm going to have divorce litigation. That's what I'm going to have here. Divorce litigation. I'm just going to have divorce litigation here. I'm just going to have divorce litigation. What now? How about now? Divorce litigation. So can you see that family photos have changed to divorce litigations? I'm going to come here, click on it, click on the pencil, change this one to real property, real property law, or let me just say property law, right? I'm going to change it to property law. Update. Can you see that it has changed to property law? Can you see that it has changed to property law? Great, great, great. So it has changed to property law. I'll come here, I'll click on it. It brings out the pencil. I click on the pencil. This one is intellectual property IP law. I'm just going to put IP law. Update, yes. So and all these text, I'm just going to change them. I'm just going to change them. I don't even know. Do we have IP law stuff here? Okay. So let me just copy this IP word here, IP sentence. Let me just copy it and put it here. So can you see now? Can you see? We already have this here. We already have this here. We already have this here. So the next one is property law. If we have property law too, I can put it here. If we have intellectual property, I can put it here. So, and don't forget that I may choose to change the text to make the text look bold, to make the text look sharp, depending on what I want, the color, everything. Don't forget. Can you see? Can you see what I'm doing? I highlighted the text. I came to bold, I bolded it. I came to text color, then I changed the color to a shining black because I didn't just want it to be dull. It depends on what you want anyway. But I just love bright colors that pops through your screen immediately you open your screen. So the next thing is I may want to put I may be in the home page. I may want to put one of my YouTube videos. So if I come to the side here, the right hand side, you are going to see a lot of buttons here. Can you see text, images, embed, drive? Anything you want to put is here. So I'm just going to click on YouTube. I'm going to put YouTube here. I'm going to click on YouTube and it's asking me the kind of video. So you can go on YouTube and just put like an introductory video. So you can just go on YouTube, record a video and say something like, oh, hello, welcome to Happy Legal. We are happy to have you here. If you have any legal challenges, you can just fill the form below so that we'll reach out to you. We are your best legal companion and all those things. You can say whatever you like about your law practice. So you now upload that video on YouTube. Then you now come and click on YouTube. Then you click on search. Once you click on uploaded videos, can you see the list of my videos on YouTube? It has already brought them out. It's not asking me which one I want to put. I'll just click on this one. I don't even know the video I'm clicking, but I'll click on this one. I'll click on select. Once I click on select, it comes here. The video is going to show when anybody comes to is show when anybody comes to my page to check my website. It's loading, it's currently loading. Can you see that the video is live? The video is already there. Can you see? Can you see? It's one of my videos on YouTube. It's already there. The video is live. Anybody that comes to my page is going to be able to watch that video. So you can just do a kind of, introductory video and all that and put it there. Then anything you want to put, even if you want to put your Google Calendar. Can you remember the time I gave you the first class? I taught you how you can create, appointments, how you can create um Google appointments so that people can schedule appointment with you online. You don't have to use other tools. If you are just starting, you may not be able to use Calendly because you have to pay for Calendly and all that, but you can use Google. So you can just come here, click on Google Calendar or anything you want. But for me, let me just put forms. Let's assume I want people to fill a form. I'll just click on this form. I want people to fill a form. So it has taken me to my Google Forms. It's asking me which of the forms. So you must have created forms. So let's say, the last time I taught you how to use Google for email marketing. So if you want to use Google for email marketing, it means that you must have created a form the way we created that form that day, asking people to maybe drop their name, their email address, their phone number, and all those information that you need about them. So that form that you have created will now pop up here when you click on form. Let me show you again. You come to the side here. Can you see the form button? How many of us can see the form button? Please put it in the comment section. Form, this form button here, can you see it? I want to be sure that we are on the same page before I go on, because my phone is not with me to monitor what I'm doing. I'm only with my laptop. I had to place my phone somewhere high for it to get a stable network, so I can't even monitor what I'm doing. So just type form in the comment section. Let me see form. I want to know if you can see that form. Okay. Yes. So now we are going to click on forms. So if I click on forms, it takes me to my Google form. Don't forget that everything on Google is connected. Your forms, your drive, your document, your website, your everything is, connected. So you click on the form. Let me assume that this is the form that I want. I'll just click on this form. You can scroll down through your forms and look at the one you want. You don't want to put a wrong form. Then you click on insert. Once you click on insert, the form automatically shows here. So the form is loading. It's saying I've responded to the the form before. That's me. But if another person is seeing it that has not responded, it's going to tell the person to fill the form. So the form is already showing here. So the form can help you to collect people's contacts. And the last time that the last class that we took, I showed you how you can convert that form to Google, how you can convert the forms to Google Sheets. Yes, how you can convert it to Google Spreadsheet, and how you can now convert Google Spreadsheet to email marketing and send bulk emails, bulk newsletters to your clients. Don't get me wrong. If you have money, if you already have an established law firm, I advise that you use good email marketing providers like MailChimp, like systems.io. I use MailChimp, I use system.io, but there are days that I still use Google. There are days that I just feel like, let me just send it from Google, because I don't know. I think Google is just fast to me. It's just fast to my hand. I can just pick up my phone and say, "Oh, I want to send emails." Do you get what I'm saying? So because Google is absolutely free, if I'm using systems, is more sophisticated. I'm making payments in dollars. If I'm using MailChimp, I'm making payments in dollars. But when I'm using Google, most of the time is free. Although I use a Google paid account, but even for email marketing and all those things, I don't think I use the paid account, because my paid account expired yesterday and I've not even renewed. It expired yesterday and I'm still able to do some of the things that I'm doing. So most of these things are absolutely free on Google. So your form is here. The next thing you may want to add, depending on you, you may want to add your office address. This is Google Map. This is Google Map. Can you see Google Map? You want to add your office address. Like, it's a full website. Whatever you want to add, you can add Google Map. It will just tell you to set your map and all that. But for me, I will not be setting any map. Can you see? It's telling me to draw the map to where I want. Enter your location. You just click on your location. You set your map and you can direct people directly to your office. But the only thing I remember that I want to do now, I want to customize the website. Can you see this button down here that says copyright 2023 parents and again all rights reserved? So I'll just change it to copyright 2024 Abbey Legal all rights reserved. You used to see that thing at the head of every website, right? You normally see it. Yes, you see it. Copyright. Don't forget. Then the next thing I want to do is all these social links. I want to click on them. I want to edit them. So immediately you click on the social links, you are going to see this button that says pencil. You click on pencil and it takes you to where you're going to put the link. You can add more links. So for me, I'm just going to write for my link Abbey Legal. Abi Legal is what I'm going to put here, or I'm going to put Abi Mola, Yuola, anyone you want to put, depending on your address. Ola, Yuola. So for Instagram, I'm just going to put /Abi Lawyer. For Twitter, /Abi Lawyer. Even though I don't use Twitter like that, I just come and read on Twitter. I don't post on Twitter because I just don't like the platform. I think the platform has a lot of buzzwords, and I want peace of mind. I'm more of a LinkedIn, more of a Facebook person. I'm more of a LinkedIn and a Facebook person. So here I can just put another one. Which one should I put now? Which one is not here? I think LinkedIn is not here. I think LinkedIn is not here. LinkedIn.com/ maybe Abimo Olajiwola. I think that's it. So updated. So now I've updated it. So let's assume I'm done with all my editing. But you get the way I want my website to be. So let's assume I'm done with all this editing. My logo is here. Everything. All this parenting. You understand the way I said you're going to edit them, right? Just going to click on it. Once you click on it, it takes you to the page and it changes and all those things. So you're going to change them. Uh, okay. So once you are done with your website, once you change all these things, the next thing you want to do is you want to publish your website. But before you publish your website, it's always good to preview your website to see if your website is good enough. So I just clicked on the preview button. Did you see the preview button? You come up here, you see this button here called preview. Please put it in the comment section. Preview your website. Once you click on preview, it's going to show you exactly what people are going to be seeing. So this is what people are going to be seeing on my website. Your favorite business lawyers. We provide sophisticated legal representation, blah blah blah, our practice area. If you see this website outside, you will not even know that they did not design it with a professional website design tool. Like, you will not know. If you are so good with Google sites, people will not even know that you are using Google sites. That's the truth. So you're going to test it on different So for mobile, this is how it's going to be. You're going to test it very well because there's something we do as website designers. When I'm designing websites for law firms, I test it for mobile because 70% of internet users use mobile phone. So you may think you have designed a website and it is beautiful, and when you check it on mobile, the website is not good at all. The website is not even showing. The website is not even doing this. So you have to test it on different designs. This is a tablet, this is a laptop. So you just have to test it. And once you are done, you go back and then you click on publish. Can you see this publish button? I want everybody to look up to your right hand side at the top bar and see the publish button. We are about to publish the website right now. I want to publish it. Can you see the publish button? Can you see the publish button? I'm going to hit that button right now. Bam. So now we are about to publish. It's now asking me, what is the custom name for your website? Because for Google already gives you a name. This is, can you see, sites.google.com view/abiligal. Two things. You may want to publish your website on Google with Google's name, or you may want to publish your website with your own unique name. That means you don't want Google to appear at all. If you don't want Google to appear at all, what are you going to do? You are going to click on manage. Can you see this manage button? Can you see the manage button? Please, I want to know if you can see the manage button. Let me see if you are answering me. Can you see the manage button? 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 Nobody has answered me. Oh, that's why I'm not going on. That's why I'm not going on until you tell me. Okay, type manage, type manage, type manage, type manage, type manage, type manage, type manage. I want to see you type manage in the comment section. The manage button, if you can see it before I go on. This is the manage button here. Manage button, manage button, manage button, manage button. Type it in the comment section. Manage. Type it in the comment section. Type it in the comment section. Oh, someone says no. Someone says yes. Ah, some people can see the manage button. Oh, can you see my cursor? Can you see my cursor? Can you see my cursor? My cursor is pointing towards the manage button. The manage button is in blue. The manage button is in blue. Blue. The manage button is in blue. Can we see it? My cursor is pointing to the manage button. Can we see it now? Someone said my screen has ceased. Ah, let me check from my phone. Just pardon me. Let me pick my phone and then check if truly my screen has ceased though. I bind every spirit of internet problem today in the name of Jesus. I bind every spirit of internet wahala. I bind it in the name of Jesus. Internet, hear the word of the Lord. Obey me today. Obey me, obey me, obey me. Okay. Let me try it from my phone to know if it assists or not. Can you see it? Okay, you can see it now. You can see it now. Okay, great. Great, great, great. So now, what we are going to do is, if you want to publish, you just type your name here, Abi Legal. If you want to publish, you just type your name here, Abi Legal. But I'm not going to publish. I'm not going to publish. I'm not going to publish. So what I'm going to do is manage. So if you click on manage, it means that you want to enter a domain. Can you see what it says? Make your site easier to remember with a custom domain. So let's say the name of your law firm is, someone type the name of your law firm in the comment section. I want to use it as an example. Type the name of your law firm in the comment section. I want to use it as an example. I want to use it as an example. Type the name of your law firm in the comment section. I want to use it as an example. So let's say the name of your law firm is, okay, I can see someone, Olufunke. So let's say the name of your law firm is Olufunke and Co. Olufunke and Co. So that means you would have gone to all these hosting and domain name providers online, like maybe Host Now or something like that. You would have purchased a domain name in the name Olufunke Law Firm and Co. Then you're going to click on this start, and it's now going to tell you to enter your domain. Once you click on start, it's going to tell you to enter your domain. Please, are we still following me? Okay, Apex Chamber. So you can go on hostnownow.com or any of the, maybe GoDaddy, Namecheap, any of these platforms, and just go and buy maybe Apex Chamber, w.moonchamber.standchambers.com. And once you have bought it, you just come and put it here. Once you put it here, it will ask you to press next, and then you can set it up. But for me, I don't have a custom domain. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to publish with Google website. Don't forget to check this box. This box is asking you request public search engines to not display this site. Please don't check it oh. This box is telling you that if you check this site, they will not be able to find your website on Google. And you want your website to be on search engine. You want your website to be on Google. So don't check the box. All you have to do now is Abiligal. They are telling me that Abiligal is already taken. Okay, I'm the one that took it too. I'm the one that took it. So let me just put Abiligal 1. Let me put Abiligal 1. So, and the next thing is for me to just click on publish button. So once I click on publish, the site will go live. The site will go live. Once I click on publish, the site will go live. Once I click on publish, the site will go live. I'm coming. I've already published this site now. So why is he asking me to return to editor? The site is already live, safe. The site is already live. So why is he asking me to go to editor? And people that people that want to create maybe blogs, you write, you create articles, or you share posts on social media, and you want, a place where people can read your post and all that, and you don't have money to pay a website designer, you can come here and just create something, because social media is not your home. Social media is a rented platform. It doesn't actually belong to you. So you can be dumping all your social media posts here, so that the site will be live. So this is our site that we just created. It is live. It is live. It is live. It is live. If I did not tell you, if I sit down and I use Google Sites to decide to design website for you, and I did not tell you that I use Google Sites, you will not know. And that's what most of all these cheap website designers. Let me drop it in the comment section so that you can test it. This is the site. I've dropped it in the comment section. I've dropped it in the comment section. You can test it out. So most of all these very cheap website designers, that they don't really know what they are doing. That's what they do for you. They'll just tell you, okay, I can design a website for you for 30K or for 40K, and they will now use Google site. You will not know, and they will go and buy. They'll buy name for you, so you will not even know. The name will not have Google sites. To have your law firm www.moonchambers.com, that's what it's going to have. And they will just sit down and design, use high quality pictures, high quality designs, everything. They will design it for you. So this is the site. This is the site. Anybody that comes here, even my video is on my site. Everything is on my site. Everything is on my site. Please, can you see it? Can you see it? Yes. So someone says, wow. So that's it. Oh, that's it. Even my video is there. They can watch my video. They can see everything. So how many people are going to try it out? I want to see it in the comment section before we move to the next thing. You are going to try it out. Let me see it in the comment section. You are definitely going to try this out. Let me see it in the comment section. You are definitely going to try this out. You want to use it for a blog, you want to use it for a website. I told lawyers to go online and talk about what we are learning. Talk about Digital Lawyers Network, talk about Google Workspace and everything. Lawyers refuse to talk about it. Are you going to talk about it now? Please, after this session, go on social media, tell them that you learned how to create free websites for your law practice using Google Sites. Please, please, please talk about it. All we need is you to talk about us. Follow our page on social media, follow our page on YouTube. I said it before and I'm going to say it again. Henceforth, we are not going to be having our live sessions on Facebook again, because new participants are now telling us that they are finding it difficult to access our old videos. So it means that once we have done a video, people that now join later on, they find it difficult to access these videos. So it's like we are wasting our energy. All the experts that we are bringing to come and teach us, they can't access the videos again after some time. Some people will join and they'll be like, please, can I get a replay to the video that you did last month? I'll tell them, the video is on the Facebook page now. Can you just scroll and listen to the video and listen to the training? People will tell me no, they can't find it and everything. So we have decided that yes, we'll be posting on the group, we'll be talking on the group, but all our live videos, all our weekly videos, all our invited guest videos will be coming to YouTube. So please follow our YouTube page, set notifications so that you will be getting notifications immediately we upload videos, immediately we come on for live. You just get notification and all that. Thank you everybody. So this is very, very lovely. This is something that is very, very good. So before we go, I also want us to try something. For some people, they need to learn how to recall, what do I call it now? Messages. So let's assume that you sent a message to a client and you sent the message in error, or you realize that, oh, I just sent this email, but this email is wrong and all that. So how do you recall an email in Gmail? So um okay, how do you recall that? I think before I go to that, let me just say this. Once I said once I said that you can put Google Forms here. Where is it, Seth? Okay, this is it. This is the Google form. This is a Google form. So this Google form, people are going to be able to fill it. It's telling me you've already responded because I've already tested it out and I've responded. But if you are going to be seeing it, you won't be seeing you've already responded. So immediately you fill this Google form and you submit, it goes to the Google form. And when you now log into Google form, just the way we taught you at the last class, if you missed the last video, please watch it. You can now convert it to email marketing. Where is it, Seth? I don't want to go back to it. I just want to tell you to go and watch the old video. You can now convert it to Google Sheets, and then you can use it for your email marketing, and you can send them. You can send them to you can use it to send newsletters, periodic newsletters. So Google is so powerful. It's just that a lot of us, we underestimate it. Almost all the things, talk about document management, talk about project management, talk about tax management, talk about receiving email marketing, talk about video conferencing, anything, even for Google Meet. Immediately you record on your Google Meet. If you have a Google Meet, if you have a Google meeting, if you have a Google meeting with a client, what I do is once a client wants to speak with me, I schedule the meeting with Google Meet, or I send the scheduling link to the client. At the first class, we learned how to create scheduling appointment scheduling links. So the client clicks on the appointment scheduling link, and then the client schedules an appointment with you in Google Meet. So now let's assume the client already scheduled the appointment with you in Google Meet. I'm trying to set up a Google meeting and is here. Let me start an instant meeting so that you can see what I'm saying. I hope you can see my screen. 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 Okay, so this is Google Meet. Let's assume I have scheduled this meeting in Google Meet. You see these three buttons here that says activities. This button, these three buttons, can you see these three buttons that says activities? It looks like triangle, a rectangle, and a circle. It says activities. Once I click on it, it comes here and it's talking about me recording. Can you see this recording button? This recording, if you are using Google Workspace, which is just $9 a month, it's going to allow you to record. And once you click on this recording, it's going to record the session. And once you are done, you are going to get a notification in your email saying that your saying that this is a link to the recording of your last conversation, of your last meeting. That's what you are going to get. So for me, when I'm having a meeting with a client, I don't bother. I don't even bother to take notes. I don't bother to do so many things because I know that the meeting is just being recorded. I know that, oh, beautiful. People are already sending in their classwork. Great. Please, oh, do your classwork, oh, and it. And you can even you can't work. This is what I learned today from Digital Lawyers Network training. So once you click on this recording, it will go to your Gmail, it will go to your Google Drive, and it will tell you that this is the recording of the session you had with a client today. And you can just listen to it. You can put it in the client folder. You know, when we learned document management, I taught you how to label each client, create a folder for your law firm in Google Drive, create different folders for each client, organize it. You can organize it, and so it will be very good. Once you click on recording, It's going to record and it's going to save automatically inside your Google Drive. All you're going to get is a notification. So for people who do online meetings, for me, before now, I normally use Zoom for my online meetings. So, and what do I do? It will record on the Zoom, cloud storage. And when I want to share with people, I'll share the link. But there are times that I want to download it. I want to put it on maybe my school website and all that. I will start downloading, going through stress. Someone just mentioned it to me one day, that why don't you try Google? And funny enough, Google package is not even cheaper than Zoom, because for the $9, I get 1 terabyte of Google storage. And normally, I used to buy Google storage for 12,000 naira for a year. For, is it not 100? Is it not 100? If I'm not mistaken, I guess it's 100 gig. I buy 100 gig, every 100 gig for 12,000 naira a year. So if I now pay this $9 now, it will give me 1 terabyte, like 1 terabyte. Do you know how many 100 gigs I'm going to get in 1 terabyte? It will give me 1 terabyte. It will record my meetings automatically and save in Google Drive. I can host all my websites, all my trainings on it. I can host it on it. I can do anything. All my email marketing, I can do it on it. In fact, let me just keep quiet because Google is not paying me for this advertisement. This advertisement is too much. Google is not paying me for this advertisement. So let me just leave it. Let me go to the last thing that I want to teach you today before we call it a day. Have you gotten value? If you have gotten value, please type it in the comment section. Put value, 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 value. I want to see value, 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 value in the comment section. So the last thing I want to teach you today is, let's assume that you sent an email in error. You sent an email in error. What are you supposed to do when you sent an email in error? You're supposed to recall that email. You're supposed to do what? Recall that email. So you're going to click on this settings button. Once you click on this settings button up here, you see the see all settings. You click on see all settings. It brings you here. You remember the way we did our, what do we call it now, our law firms customization. We did law firm customization when we were learning how to put your law firm address, your law firm signature. Some people actually did it and they sent it to me, and I was very proud. I was very proud of them. So what we're going to do is see this undo send. There's this button here that says undo send, undo send. So you're going to come here and set it. So if you're using the paid version, it's going to allow you to set it to like 30 seconds or even more. So but for me now, I'm just going to set it to 10 seconds. So it means that within 30 seconds or 10 seconds you can still recall this. But if you're using the paid version, it can even allow you to recall your email, your messages afterwards. Once you do that, you just come down here and you click on save changes. You click on save changes. Why is it not allowing me? It's not serious. I've done this save changes before. Just click on save changes. Once you click on save changes, it's just going to save, and then you can click on create email, create message. Once you click on create message, you can just create your message, and once you create your message, you can send your message. And then if you made a mistake, you can just click on send. And once you click on, can you see it's telling me undo? Undo is here. So that undo button is going to be there. So if you want to just undo it, you can just go to the message. You will see the undo button, and you'll be able to just undo your message. I hope you have been able to get value. I hope you have been able to get value today. If you've been able to get value, just type value, 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 value. I want to see that in the comment section. I want to see that in the comment section. Okay, okay, okay. So officially, I want to also tell us about the Digital Lawyers Bootcamp. The Digital Lawyers Bootcamp is a training where we teach lawyers how to use the internet to make money online as a lawyer, because our law practice, what's the essence of law practice without money? We need money as lawyers. So you want to position yourself, or maybe even if you're already making money in law practice, you want to make impact, you want to make influence. So the digital law practice achieves three aims. It helps you to make impact, influence, helps you to make money. So that's basically what we teach. We teach you basically four modules. We teach you how to make money online, get clients online as a lawyer without breaching the rules of professional conduct. Without breaching the rules of professional conduct, because that is very important. Every day I see lawyers on social media trying to market their law practice in a way that is strictly against the rules of professional conduct. And I'm like, wow, I saw a lawyer on Instagram recently. He used an influencer. The influencer was saying, see my lawyer, come and engage my lawyer, come and do. You should not do that. Oh, digital lawyers, I don't want to see you doing that. You have to learn how to package yourself, attract clients. You should not be shouting, screaming, come and engage me online. No, no, it's not done. That's capable of bringing disrepute to the legal profession. So you must know how to sell to people without being salesy. So that's what we teach at the Digital Lawyers Bootcamp. We teach you how to make money online as a lawyer without breaching the rules of professional conduct. We teach you how to create AI legal assistants for your law practice. So you want to learn about artificial intelligence, how you can streamline your workflow, how you can customize your own personal law firm agents. Go and ask the previous participants. We taught them how to customize their own law firm agents in simple English. The AI legal assistant can serve you, can serve your clients in simple English. You are also going to learn how to create video marketing. You know that video marketing is the order of the day now. It's the best form of marketing. So we're going to teach you how to script videos, how to shoot videos, how to edit videos. If you've been wondering how I get speaking engagements, how I try to build influence from the city of Ibadan without, being so influential before, or working in big law, or living in the large city, I'm going to teach you how to use social media to command influence as a lawyer wherever you are. Even if you are not in Nigeria, even if you are in Nigeria, even if you like be in one village, once there is internet connection in that village, you're going to command that influence, and they're going to bring you to the front, like the front stage. If you wonder how I get all this speaking engagement, how people, you know how people call me, how NBA call me. Yesterday I was still on NBA Garki. I was still on their first plenary session for their law week and everything. If you want to know all those things, if you want to know all those things, I'm going to teach you at the Digital Lawyers Bootcamp. And the last but not the least thing, and the last but not the least thing, you're going to learn how to create digital products. So if you've been wondering how lawyers are creating online courses, ebooks, all those things, you want to create online, you want to create your digital product to diversify your income, create multiple income streams, so that when services are not selling, product to be selling and all that, you're going to learn that at Digital Lawyers Bootcamp. So if you want to sign up for Digital Lawyers Bootcamp, just send me a DM, maybe on WhatsApp or on Facebook. You're going to get the link. The boot camp is scheduled to hold from the 1st to the 10th of August 2024. But enrollment has started, and early bird enrollment is just 50,000 naira. Early bird enrollment is just 50,000 naira. Regular registration is 70,000 naira. So it's better for you to join the early bird registration right now and make payment 50,000 naira instead of 70,000 naira. And some people are asking me, can I pay in installment? Yes, you can pay in up to 3 installments. So just send me a DM that I want to pay in installment. I'll send you the account details. Once you secure your spot, then you are good to go. I also want to say that this boot camp is going to be the most affordable that you're going to get. After this boot camp, we are increasing the fees because we continue to update our curriculum. We continue to update our curriculum. I remember that some people wanted to make payment for 30,000 the last time. They postponed it. By the time we came back, the boot camp was already 50,000 naira. So now that the boot camp is 50,000 naira for early bird, don't wait for 70. Well, if you wait for 70 is good, but if you can afford the 50, why wait for 70? Because this is going to be the most affordable boot camp you are going to get. After now, we are going to be updating the fees for the digital lawyers boot camp. So if you have any further questions, please do let me know. You can send me a DM on WhatsApp. You can send me a DM on WhatsApp or leave a message on the group chat. I'm not going to be deleting that group because now that we are going to be having our teachings on YouTube, we'll be using that group to drop YouTube links. So please, we don't want any birthday greeting. We don't want any this, that information on the group. All we want on the group is links to our YouTube training. So once we have any YouTube trainings or we upload videos, we are going to be dropping it on that group. Thank you, everybody. Good evening. I love you all. Thank you for joining. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining. Have a good evening. Bye.